Hi everyone, Serge Tanguay from CDL Maple Sugaring Equipment, talking from Marsouilles, Quebec. Many people ask me how much sap really goes through a CDL RO. And for eye concentration, is it really performant? Well, let's go see. Well, it's relatively simple. This is the RO interface. Just making sure my sap tank, my pre-filters, and my turbines are all activated here. I run the RO in the intelligent mode, so the machine will handle the whole process by itself. I start the concentration phase, and when it's finished, the machine basically will desugar and rinse itself. And as soon as the sap level reaches my set level, then it will start concentrating again. So basically, let the machine do its job. I can also make the whole wash sequence automatic if I want. So back to our monitoring system. It's now 10 past noon. We'll get back soon to check the performance of the RO. You can see here in the middle the 3-inch pipe that brings the sap from the releasers. I programmed the automation function on my serial monitoring system to start the RO when the level in the tank reaches 40%. Let's go take a look at the bulk tank. So that's the RO there. We'll be back there in a few minutes. 100% of the 30 Brix concentrate comes in here in this 5,000 gallon refrigerated bulk tank. So as soon as we start concentrating, the monitoring system starts the chillers and the agitators automatically inside the bulk tank. Remember, we have here 85,000 taps coming in directly at the sugar house. We have 3 permeate tanks with the integrated washing system. This there is the permeate outlet and 4-inch drains perfectly calibrated to match the capacity of the RO. So all 3 permeate tanks are filled evenly. We have 2 sap tanks with agitators. We use those at the end of the season to mix the sap. The second tank is used when we have the biggest runs. So 100% of the sap coming in from the valley enters the building right here. And we can select which tank we will use, allowing us to clean the other one. All these valves you see there are remotely controlled through the CDL monitoring system. So now let's get back to the RO. The RO started this morning around 10 a.m. Now it's 4 p.m. So as you can see, the sap comes in at 2.2 Brix, comes out at 30.5 Brix. Concentrate flow is 7 gallons per minute, and the total flow is 6,276 gallons per hour. I replaced the pre-filters earlier while the machine was running. It's really an amazing machine. 100% automated. The RO starts with sensors located inside the sap tanks. In my case, when the level reaches 40%, the RO automatically starts. What do we do at the end of the day? All I need is to choose the right sequence. Now it's the middle of the run, but when the RO stops after it runs out of sap, it'll desugar automatically and stop. In the middle of the day, I usually desugar back in the sap tank, but when I get to the end of the run, I'll desugar in the concentrate tank, and then I activate the long rinse, and I tell the machine to perform a flow test. If the test comes out too low, then I just tell the machine to go through a wash cycle and to perform another test just to confirm that it improved the performance. Now I know it's the last concentration sequence of the day. We had a good run, so the RO didn't really stop all day. So I activated the complete sequence of the RO. As soon as we run out of sap, the rest of the sequence will all be done automatically. So rinse, desugaring, rinse, washing, everything will be done automatically. I really have nothing else to do. The only thing I have to do once a day is to replace the dirty pre-filters and make sure I have enough RO soap. Is it reliable? Incredibly. Does it perform? Well, I'll let you be the judge of that. I wish you an excellent season. Bye.